Hey, today, coronavirus is, spreading here in the country. So we're forced to stay at home, wear masks. We're supposed to wear masks when we go out. I'm just, doing it for the vid. Right, let's race. We're racing today with this nice Porsche. Right, let's go for gold. Oh, you know what? That's better. Put on the headset. Right. Getting ready to race. 3, 2, 1. And we're off. Take the ramp. Can't remember what I'm supposed to do here, so I'll just race and have fun. Oh, okay, that's not fun. Ooh, that was a bad wreck. It really was. Okay, let's take this ramp. See, wow, nicely done. Into the corner, under the pyramid. Oh, I just couldn't knock him down. I tried. Now I did. This is not going well. This is a disaster race of note. Must be the mask. Yeah, can't race with a mask on. Takes some getting used to. Also, wearing the mask while racing, it gets very hot. Oh, let's take this ramp here, shall we? Yay! You're definitely not going to win this race. That's for sure. Wow, this is really, really bad. This is how not to race on Asphalt 9. Yeah. Nice car though. Alright. Bad one. See you guys next time. It's Norman signing out. Bye for now.